I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I've had a barn auger and vinegar now for about 3 days. Been checking it every day. We'll take a look at it again. Well, it's been 3 days and we've been checking it every day. Let's take a look at it. It's out, it's clean, the rust is gone, but it's pretty heavily pitted. That was there before the vinegar got to it because the tang is just as sad as shape. This one went in with just a few pits in it, and it came out with just a few pits. This one went in with some serious pitting, and it came out with that pitting still intact. This auger bit looked almost that bad. You can see by the shank how pitted it was. I went over it with one of these Scotch Brite wheels, and that smoothed out a lot of the pitting. Now this one's been badly abused. The thread is gone on the pilot screw, and basically this was just a test to see what it would do if I took an old really bad one and polished it up, and it's worked quite well. I'm going to take one of these Scotch Brite wheels and go over this auger bit, see if I can get it to shine up too. Now the pitting's still going to be there. I can't get down in and take those pits out without removing too much steel. But it's going to be a lot shinier when I get done. Well, the rust is gone. Hasn't damaged any of the surfaces. They're all still there. Threads are still there. But the surface was pretty badly pitted. I'll go after it with a 3M wheel, see if I can't get it to shine up. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.